everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Dark Anime Robin. In this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the action figure of Warg Reymon from the Digimon Digital Monster anime series. And this figure is produced in the Anime Heroes series line by Bandai. Let's quickly check out the case before we take the figure out of it. So on the front we have the anime picture of Warg Reymon, and for the transparency you can clearly see the figure. And there's not much else from the rest of the case. It just showed us a couple other figures from the same action figure series here. But now let's get the figure out of the case. So here we have the Warg Reymon figure. And there's no instruction manual here, but it looks like very straightforward, simple figure, so we don't really need any instruction to learn how to work it. And let's cut the figure loose. Whoa, so looks like we actually do have to twinkle the parts first. So let's first move up this shield from the back. And all. Okay, so now the figure's free. And obviously we have to put these back wing or shields back on. Here we have the Anna Hero Warg Reymon figure here. And now let's check out this figure's articulation. So we have flexible shoulder armor here, and it looks like the figure can raise its arm laterally, and because again the shoulder armor is also flexible and articulate, so that it won't get in the way of the arm's movement. And of course the forearms you can also move up. Although it looks like Warg Reymon's claw garner here looks like it's fixed in. It cannot be detached. And its thigh can rotate inward, outward. The leg can move up 90 degrees here. Can bend its knee. Same thing over here. And the feet has a very articulated and flexible joints there. This allows the figure stance to be posable and easily manipulated. You can get the figure to stand up the way you want, and look like you can also twist it around its waist as well. can also turn its head like about 40-degree left and right, but it can't really look up and down. Maybe just down a little bit, but that's enough to allow you to adjust the head's posture. And of course, the shield wings are flexible, which allow you to adjust the way you want the wings to look as you pose Warg Reymon here. And you can also, so the fist can rotate around its arm, so the gauntlet, you can adjust the angle for poses. And we've covered all the features of this figure. Overall, it's a very nice action figure of Warg Reymon. It's very well painted and well sculpted. Makes it like very screen accurate 3D representation of Warg Reymon from the anime series. Although it does not have as many different functions as you would see from other figures of Warg Reymon, such as removable cloud gauntlet or transformation feature. It cannot change between this form and its augment form, and it cannot use its wings as shield. So if you're looking for a Warg Reymon with any special kinds of function, this may not be something you want. However, despite lacking those special features, this figure still has the great looks of Warg Reymon, and it has enough articulation for you to do many different kind of poses. And because this figure is relatively simple, it's also not so high on the market price compared to all those fancy Warg Reymon figure. For any collector who wants a Warg Reymon action figure but do not want to spend a lot of money for it, I would recommend you consider getting this one. This concludes my review for this figure. Thanks everyone for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe to my channel, and please check out other videos from my channel. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment section. I will answer with the best of my knowledge and ability.